Hi everyone, I'm Matt Morano, the NC Realty Guy, broker realtor for Lake Realty, with this edition of Neighborhood Navigator. On this beautiful sunny day today, I'm located at Mirabella. Now this is a Meritage new construction home community located in Huntersville, Mecklenburg County. Mirabella is just 5 to 10 minutes east of I-77 exit 23 in Huntersville. Now base prices start in the 300,000s in the meadows at Mirabella and the 400,000s for the estate series. You can find ranches, two-story homes, and even find basement home sites here and create your own special use for it. A big benefit with Meritage Builders spray foam insulation. Now they have it in every home. It has great characteristics. It's a great insulator, of course, not only between hot and cold, but noise, keeping your house quieter and keeping all the pollutants outside as well. Your Meritage home comes standard with features like a video doorbell, a smart door lock, lighting controls, an advanced thermostat, and even a smart garage door. Check out this kitchen in the Davidson model. Granite countertops, LED lighting, that's standard. You'll find 42-inch cabinets with crown molding. How about 10-foot ceilings? And in the dining room, nice shadow box detailing here and hardwood floors. Now be sure and contact me for additional information on all the floor plans. Now that you've seen everything, are you interested in living here in Mirabella? I hope so. Here's what you need to do. Call me first at 704-582-1314. Matt Morano, the NC Realty Guy. We'll come down here together. It's very easy. We'll check it out. And remember, it doesn't cost you anything to have me represent you. The builder, they're going to pay me. They want me to bring them buyers. It's not going to cost you any more to have me represent you. I'm your free advocate, as always, when buying or building new construction here in the Lake Norman area. I hope to hear from you soon. Give me a call, and remember, at Lake Realty, with us, it's simple. Thanks for watching.